Hello guys, welcome back to another trading session. I told you I'm going to show you a simple entry using trend lines, multiple confirmations, price action. Okay, for me, when it comes to entry and exit, there are so many things that I use, so I like to have multiple entry confirmations and stuff. So today I'm going to show you or share with you multiple trend line confirmation, one of them that I use. I believe that I have shared some video on the risk management before, so if you if you are free, go back to the old videos and see. Disclaimer also, this is just for education purpose only. I'm not giving you an advice. Do your own due diligence, and I will not be responsible for anything that happens to your trading account. Also, bear in mind that I do not message anybody, whether on Facebook. I don't even have ATA FX on WhatsApp or Instagram or TikTok. I only have the free channel which I share one free trades on Telegram. Okay, and I'll never ask you let me manage pass or mine Bitcoin triple your money for you. So be careful, there are scammers. Don't give your money away to people. Other than that, you may never get it. Right, so let's dive in. So this is what I'm looking at. Okay, so this is what the market has been doing. Remember, I share with you, you need a two swing and a pullback, okay, to a trend. But when you look at this market straight away, you see that the market is forming, it's a downtrend. Okay, you have higher lows, okay, you have higher low, but from this low here, you realize that this cannot be considered a higher low, because this low didn't break this low. Because when market is forming higher lows, this is how you see there is a high here and there's a low. Then you see there is a high here and this is a low. This breaks or takes out this structure here to form a new low, a structure here. You have a high, a low, low. That gives you a confirmation of a reversal. Then you have a high here, but look at this low, couldn't take out this low. But this is what the market has been doing. Okay, it's been doing the swings highs and the swing low. So what I have to look at is, this is the confirmation here. I'm having this double top here. Okay, this is a very big candle based on news and stuff. Okay, then you have this, then I have the top here, then you see all this liquidity here was filled here. Then I have my trend line here. Okay, from the top down here to those tips here. So I want to look for an entry, okay, based on this okay, trend lines. Okay, when the market start doing like this. So this is what I have here. Then I want to move from the 1 hour and come to the 15 minutes candle. Okay, so once the 15 minutes candle start to come, I have this here, I have this here. Okay, this one have just developed. So before then, all I'm going to do is look for an entry somewhere here, okay, or here, and my stop loss is going to be around this area plus the value of the ATR. Okay, remember, when you hover around the price or your entry, you see the movement of the ATR. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do to have add to my stop loss. And my TP is going to, when I look to the left here, we're going to have that structure down here. That will be my first TP there. And when that structure was taken, TP has been smashed and price pull back, and I might have another confirmation here, okay, for that low here, and I could get out here. Okay, so even from here I could still have some trend lines there around here. Okay, so as long as those were not broken, like here, all these areas are consolidation. So once I get out here, I'm not going to do anything here, and this might be a spike. Okay, you have the down breakout down here. This is where I might be able to take a trade, and my stop loss is going to be just here and down there. Okay, and my plus the ATR value. Okay, and then I will benefit all these candles here, because if you look down here you might find a structure of the 29, and then I'll be out. So the same way, I'm not going to touch this consolidation here. Okay, once I'm out, this is a new area of the market consolidating here. I'm not going to touch these consolidation areas. All I want to see is a breakout of this box here. Then if I extend my trend line, once we have all this development here, okay, then I can have two confirmations entry here. Okay, and then you see this is even though it's a consolidation around this area, you have a structure there. So if you enter your entry here, your stop loss is going to be here plus the value of the ATR, and your first TP is going to be here. So this is how normally I scalp. Okay, so it's as simple as that. You just practice and practice and practice, and you're going to be perfect in these things. Okay, you have to trade and learn more than you trade. And once you see this and you just find a strategy, stick to it, and it's going to be you are going to own it, and you are going to stick to it, and it's going to be something that you use. I don't know the system that you use. Okay, I don't know the system that you are using, but try to develop and learn and find something for. And this doesn't work on gold. Okay, it's going to work on anything. Sorry, anything that you do in any asset that you pick to analyze. Okay, and if remember, sometimes the best trade also is no trade. So when you look at your chart, depending on the system you are using, okay, if for instance I'm using a daily chart to trade because I'm a long-term trader, and I open my charts daily or 4 hour and I don't find a clean chart that I can analyze, then you have to leave it. Okay, but because I trade on the shorter time frame to do day trading, sometimes in addition to my swing, if my day chart or long-term chart is not clean, all I have to do is come to the smaller time frame, being it 1 hour, 15 minutes, or the 5 minutes, and look for a clean chart to trade. Because remember, when I'm day trading, I'm not looking for 100 pips or 1000 pips, because my lot size are quite big. So I'm just looking for something small like this. Okay, 10 points will be okay for me, 20 points will be okay for me, 30 points will be okay for me. And as a day trader scalping the market, I understand that I will not get 30 pips or 40 pips. So normally I'm doing 1 to 1. And sometimes when you have huge, there might be days you have huge breakouts, and those days you can catch 40 pips, 50 pips, even 100 pips or more. But that is not every day. What every day is ideal for me is 10 to 20 pips. Okay, to finish for the day. Thank you very much, and like and subscribe, and I'll bring you more gems. Have a lovely trading week.